captured a bird by wiles and snares. And the bird said to him, When he had spoken this counsel on his wrist, he flew up to the top of the roof, entirely free.
Drachms, noun. An ancient Greek unit of weight, approximately equal to the weight of a silver coin of the same name.
Thereupon the man, like a woman in her travail, gave vent to lamentations and weeping.
Travail, noun. Pains of childbirth.
The man recovered himself, then said,
Well then, tell me now your third good counsel.
No smiling.
Yeah.
The man recovered himself, then said,